Hello,
Where are you all from?
we are from Bangalore Diocese.
Okay, can you please tell two sentences about Yuvajanotsava?
A best experience where after so many years, after the 2022 KRYC, yeah.
Like we are getting to know a lot of things, new people and new areas, like new cultures and all, and the sessions where we are getting to know a lot about like selflessness, and then also about the nature and all those things, and then even about being together with the youths.
ಯುವಜನೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾವೇಶ ಈ 40 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಾದಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 13ನೇ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಯೂತ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯುವಜನರ ಅವರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯುವಜನರು ಈ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ, ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ಸಮಾಜ ಕಟ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ.
It's excellent, awesome, and all are enjoying without any complaints. They are happy with the food, happy with the programs. They have it is well arranged, and everything is very good.
Actually, our diocese is hosting, so we are actually happy, and I'm ex-DESCO member. Actually, it is our dream to do the Yuvajanotsav. Now our DESCO is doing, so we are extremely happy for this.
Yuvajanotsav 2025 extremely good and well prepared and well organized. I could say that everything is going smoothly, and all the youths are enjoying, including me. I am also enjoying, and no confusion over here, and hard work of this RESCO of both ICM and YCS and also Karwara. Well prepared, well organized, so all the best, and I am enjoying, all are enjoying. Keep going, and let's work together for the betterment of youth. Jai Yuvajanotsav 2025.